Welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds, my friends. Today we're talking about how long does it actually take to build a shed house, from this very start to the very finish, from walking into our door or calling us on the phone and getting that project underway, to being in a place like this with a code of compliance, all sealed, delivered. We're going to talk timeframes and I'll tell you how much this thing costs at the end. But first off, to talk design, let's ask Bronek to come on over. Bronek, you're here. How long? Client walks in, they say, Bronek, how long does it take to get the plans, the engineering through council and the site works done?
Depends. It does depend a little. I mean, for this house here, the client came in and said, we love the Coromandel design that's on your website. I don't want to change anything. So we were able to go, fantastic, let's get onto it. So it took us a couple of weeks to get the paperwork sorted out and done, get some quotes from people based on what's here, because he already had the land, and then we were able to move. We got it into council. It took a month or so there. They had a few questions to ask, so we were ready to go building on this, I believe, roughly 2 months after he walked in. But sometimes people want to change things. Sometimes people want to say, I like this design, but I'd like to move the toilet here, or I'd like an extra wider log area or something else. Then that may take another week or two. So I would say allow a good 2 to 3 months for that stage to get it in and get it out.
Awesome. So that's it, 2 to 3 months, get your plans, get it out. We're constantly working, how do we be as quick as possible? We have multiple drafts people, our engineers. We're even working building consents approvals, like a private company, to be able to get it through in 10 days rather than 20 days, dealing with the traditional councils. Now this place, it's on the peak here, so different ground conditions. Yes. It needed 75 12-metre piles driven into the ground. Yes. How long did the site works take?
The site works took a wee while. Because we had to drive the piles into the ground, VCE needed 4 weeks to get the piles into the ground. We've also got fibre in the cement as well, so this cement took a little while to box up, get ready, and pour, so I think they took another 2-3 weeks to do that. So we're talking the best part of 6 weeks before we could actually build.
Excellent. Thanks for that, Bronek. I need to go and find out how long the external shell took to get built, so I'll catch you later. Awesome. We're here in this beautiful 120 square metre shed with Glenn. Now, Bronek's just told me how long it would take to get the designs done, the site works and the concrete slab. How long to get all of the materials on site, and then for awesome builders like Paul and Stan, master shed builders, to be able to build those?
Yeah, good call. So after consent, obviously we order the kit, the manufacturer and the kit order to site. That's kind of 5-6 weeks to site. In that time, the groundworks can be done, the slabs all poured, ready for our kit to turn up on site. Build to a lock-up stage, 5 to 6 weeks would be built to
that's what it took here. When we're building shed houses and we're doing up the lock-up stage, we only deal with a master shed builder. What is a master shed builder? They have at least 100 shed builds that they have done before we progress them onto doing a shed house. So we certify and we make sure that we've got guys that legitimately know how to build and do it, LBPs, they can sign it off. This isn't just an old implements farm shed or something. No. Anyone can build a timber pole shed. We love them. Talk to us if you need one. But we are talking about someone's life, assets, houses. It needs to be done right, so we make sure. Materials, what are we dealing with in here? Have we got cheap imported steel?
No way, mate. That is all New Zealand made. New Zealand made steel with New Zealand made colour steel on the outside, of course. We've talked about the wonderful dry decks, but yeah, all New Zealand made. That's right through.
Dry decks takes care of all the condensation, gives us some ventilation in here. We've got extra steel framing in there. This is great. 120 square metres of bathroom, awesome design. So we've got a toilet and a laundry and that in here. Now I want to find out, how long does it take to then fit out a 144 square metre house? Let me go and find out. Awesome. I'm here with Andy. Good to see you, brother.
Cheers, mate.
You did the full fit out on this. How long does it take you? Paul, Stan, they did the external shell. They handed it over to you. You guys will work together. We've done lots of projects, but how long does it then take for you to deliver a masterpiece to code of compliance like this?
Something like this. So yeah, we chime in as Paul and Stan are still finishing, so we get in early as we can. But for this one here, that 2.5 months from when we start on site to final inspection and code of compliance.
Awesome. So 10 weeks.
10 weeks.
Let me roll through some numbers in the heads, and they say it's couple of months design in council. So design, council, pricing initially. Then we had about 6 weeks groundworks and the concrete slab. So what are we looking at there? So that's 3.5 months. Another 6 weeks to do the build to the lock up stage. So that takes us to 4-5 months. Then we're looking in sort of another 2.5 months. So we're looking somewhere around 7.5-8 months. You can walk in there and do it. And that's what we are handing over these all the time. And if it takes a bit longer in the design process than that, I would say budget between 8 to 12 months. But it really just depends on how long is it going to take to get that design. Because once we're through with the council and the engineers, we can just roll in and start getting things done. Quick one, Andy, how long have you been in the game?
25 years in the building game.
That's looking young and fresh. Master builders, 25 years, born and bred Waikato, 21 years we've been Waikato Sheds. So you're dealing with people that know what's going on. I told you I'd say how much this cost. Pretty much $660,000 for everything that we've described here, the plans, the site works, the concrete slab, the external shell, all of the finishing in here, dishwasher, drawer, tanks, like that's what you're going to be looking at. So 2,300 to 2,500 a square metre is a really comfortable budget to get a shed house for the full size like this done. And we have delivered dozens of them here in the Waikato, and we've done kit sets nationwide. So if you'd be keen on something like this, get in touch with the team and you'll be able to deal with great guys like Glenn, Bronek, Andy will be able to look after you and make sure you get a great shed done right.